Welcome children. I am going to take revision for you chapter 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So which is the third lesson? The northern and coastal plains. So what are the important points are in northern plains? The northern plains and coastal plains. The important first point is in which river is in Bakra Dam? So that is in Satluj river. So which river in Bakra Dam? That is in Satluj river. And what is alluvium soil? What is alluvium soil? The fine silt deposit by the rivers. It's called alluvium soil. Okay. And this also the plains in plains of India it's dividing two, that is northern plains and coastal plains. Okay. And some of the rivers also originate in Himalaya. Which are the rivers are originate in Himalaya? That is Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra. These are the rivers are originate in Himalaya. And also Bakra Dam is in Satluj river basin, and which is the one of the branch river also in Bangladesh. It's called Padma. Okay, that's tributary river in Bangladesh, that is in Padma. And which one is Brahmaputra river basin? It's the river Brahmaputra originate in Tibet. So that Brahmaputra river originate in Tibet, and where it's called Sangpo. The another name it's called Sangpo. Okay children. And Punjab. In Punjab many tourists visit Golden Temple in Amritsar. So Amritsar in which state? Amritsar Golden Temple in Punjab state. Okay. And one of the many what is that monuments, some of the monuments in Delhi, which are they? That is Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple and Akshardhan Temple. These are the important points is that everybody want to write and study. Which are the important monuments? Okay, these are the important monuments. And Uttar Pradesh is famous for embroidery work. Okay, Chikari embroidery work is famous for Uttar Pradesh. Then in Bihar, the popular their important festival is Chhath festival. Which festival is the popular festival? That is important festival is Chhath festival. And in West Bengal their popular festival is Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is in West Bengal, Chhath festival in Bihar, and in Assam Bihu dances there. Assam people, and also the people are speak Assamese and they celebrate Bihu. Okay, the Assam peoples are celebrate Bihu. And so checkpoint is in your textbook, page number 182. You can see the checkpoint. That is also important. Questions are: a dash is a flat and level land. It's called plain. And then the main tributary of river Satluj. The main tributary of river Satluj is called Beas. The river Brahmaputra is called Sangpo. In Tibet, then Amritsar, it's a golden temple. It's famous for golden temple. Which one? The people of Bihar people celebrate which festival? That is Chhath festival. Okay. And the coastal plains is dividing two, that is western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. Okay. And the western coastal plains, one of the important questions also is there, that is into how many parts of the western coastal plains divided. So the western coastal plains is divided in three: the Gujarat coast towards the north, the Konkan coast in middle, the last one the Malabar coast in the south. Okay, these are the three important coasts are in western coastal plains. Okay, this is also important. And what is lagoon, children? Lagoons, that is a lake separated from the sea. So what is lagoons? That is lagoons are separated from the sea. Sea നിന്ന് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വരുന്ന ലേക്കിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കുക? ലഗൂൺസ് എന്ന് വിളിക്കുക. Okay, that is also important point. And the Eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains also dividing to the northern part is called Northern Circus, the southern part is called Coromandel Coast. Okay. And the life of the region is that part, so many states also introduce your textbook, Gujarat, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, this everything you want to read proper. And one of the important point is Dash is the popular festival. So Dash is the popular festival in Odisha, that is in Ratha Yatra. Ratha Yatra is the popular festival in Odisha. Okay. Then one of the important lake also in Odisha, that is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake also is the important in Odisha. And what is silt? What is silt? Fine sand and mud carried by a river is called silt. Okay, and lagoons we are already explained what is lagoon. A lake that is separated from the sea is called lagoons. Okay, these are the important and some of the important questions also in the textbook. How do the rivers of the northern plains make the land fertile? Because the Himalaya originates so many rivers. These rivers are throughout the year carry the water and bring the sand, rock, silt and everything. So this all deposit bank of the rivers. Okay. And this is the answer. The second, fourth lesson is the western desert. Western desert, the important is Thar desert. So from was this Thar desert in Rajasthan. Okay. So in Rajasthan it stretched from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the border of Haryana. It's full of stretch this Thar desert. And important is climate. What is the climate of Thar desert and what is the natural vegetation of this? So everything you want to study and read your textbook proper. And important point is that Pink City. Pink City. Which city we called Pink City? That is in, we called Pink City we called Jaipur. Jaipur we called Pink City. Why we called Pink City? Because the stones are in pink color. The city is also called Pink City because all buildings in the old city are built of pink stones. That's why we called Pink City. Okay children. And some fill in the blanks also in your textbook. That also very important. The dash are small hills of sand found in the desert. We call sand bends. An area in a desert where trees grow around a water source is called oasis. A dash is an underground tank to store rainwater. That is we call tanka. Dash is a folk dance of Rajasthan, that is Kalbelia. And Dash is called the Pink City of Rajasthan, is called Jaipur. Okay. And one of the important question is that who are the Bancharas? Bancharas is called what? Whose are Bancharas? That Bancharas is some people also travel from one place to another place depending the food and everything. So these people are called Bancharas. So some people also travel from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their animals. So these people are called Bancharas. That is also important question. And everybody want to read the climate. What is the importance of climate in Thar desert? That's also want to study proper. Okay children. The next chapter is Emperor Akbar. So Emperor Akbar was born in 1542. So which year? 1542, born in Akbar, and Akbar defeated some rulers. Akbar defeated some rulers whose are the Hemu, Rani Durgavati, Maharana Pratap and Chand Bibi. See, so these are the rulers to defeated Akbar. And he rules, that means Akbar ruled India from 1556 to 1605. These during our Akbar is ruled in our India. Okay. And Akbar tried to support Rajput king. How Akbar tried to support Rajput king? That is also important question. The first point, treated them with respect to give the permission to marry Rajput princess. And the third point is give to high post. Okay, give high post to Rajput king. So these are the important points. And Akbar suggests a religious path. Akbar suggests a religious path is called Dil Ilahi. Okay, and Akbar translate two epics. Akbar translate two epic, that name is Ramayana and Mahabharata in Persian language. Persian language like translate ചെയ്ത രണ്ട് ഇതിഹാസങ്ങളാണ് Ramayana and Mahabharata. And Akbar held a grand court and important famous peoples also in the court. So ആരൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു famous കോർട്ടിലുള്ള famous ആൾക്കാർ? That is Mian Tensen, Abul Fazl, Raja Birbal, Raja Toranmal and Raja Mansingh. In this, Mian Tensen was a singer, the famous singer in Akbar court. Then Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama. So that is important question. Akbarnama. What is Akbarnama? That is the biography of Akbar. Who wrote that Akbarnama? That is Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama. Okay, then Raja Birbal was Akbar advisor. Akbar's advisor ആയിരുന്നു ആര്? Raja Birbal. And one of the important city also built near the Agra, that is Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, so Fatehpur Sikri also built Akbar near Agra. Okay, children. And Akbar was the son of which Mughal emperor? ഏത് മുഗൾ എംപറർ ആണ്? ആരാണ് അക്ബറിന്റെ ഫാദർ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ നെയിം ഈസ് ഹുമയൂൺ. സോ ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ഗിവൻ സം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, സം ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: ബാബർ, ജഹാംഗീർ, ഹുമയൂൺ, ഷാജഹാൻ. ദ ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഹുമയൂൺ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. And match the columns also in the textbook and important some questions also. What is Fatehpur Sikri? Where was it built? That is Fatehpur Sikri built Akbar near Agra. Okay, and Akbar got two epics translate in Persian, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Write the names of the rulers whom Akbar defeated. തോൽപ്പിച്ച rulers defeated, that is Rani Durgavati, then Hemu, Maharana Pratap and Chand Bibi. These are the rulers to defeat Akbar. Okay, children, these are the three lessons for the exam. So read your textbook, study all question answers and important one word questions also. Okay, children, all the best. Thank you.